This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Barbara Thomas. To be built. Welcome to the Amicalola, a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home by Brown Haven Homes. This Amicolola is a fresh design with an inviting floor plan in the main living areas. It features a large great room that peeks into the kitchen with spacious island looking into the dining room. Luxurious owner's suite with its own walk-in closet and private master bath. All bedrooms are separate from one another, creating everyone's own private space. The Amicolola is the perfect home for spacious living and entertainment. This home will be situated on a beautiful level lot in the exclusive Mountain Harbour Golf Community. Nice walking area. Surrounded by well-established homes and golf course. Enjoy all the amenities, golf, fitness center and dining. Do not miss this opportunity. Photos of exterior and interior are representative. For more information